set her down.
Sorry, U-Haul.
At least you're safe. You don't have to like.
Yeah, and then this is most of the stuff that we got from the warehouse in Southwest. This all came out of I think it was a brass factory that used to be in Midtown Detroit. So, what's fun about industrial furniture is that this is made for a factory, so it's purpose built. So, whatever they were doing in the factory, this was made for that operation. So maybe it was holding parts or tools. We don't know, but it's a good size. 20 by 16 by 22. So end tables, really easy build for us. We will maybe wire wheel it, maybe sand it, possibly sandblast them. Sometimes we put wood on these. We've also been doing these, like, especially when you kind of see the texture of this really pitted. So it's raw steel. Sometimes we just lacquer these with a bunch of coats of lacquer and it looks so cool. So we're gonna do one test one upstairs and kind of see if we like that and then kind of go from there. But I think these ones we'll probably just clear them, maybe add a wooden shelf on the bottom for some practical uses. But you know, we got, I don't know, 10 of these or so. So maybe we'll do a couple different ones, but it should be pretty simple. And there are multiple kinds too. So, sorry. These ones have like already some shelves kind of sitting in there. So, wooden shelves, maybe we'll build drawers for them. We'll kind of see when we get to that, but definitely a wooden top. Clean the metal up. Once again, try to keep some of the texture. So some of the rust and the paint coming through. That stuff, like, we'll remove all the loose stuff and then sand it, give it a nice clear so you can use it in the home again, get all the rough edges off of it. But we've done a lot of these in the past. I think that it's great that we have quantities so that we can kind of just batch them out in a production style. But these will be fun. They come together quick. We'll probably use all scrap wood for the drawers and everything too, just to kind of keep clean up the shop. So easy ones there. I don't know, this is a really interesting, once again, purpose-built piece that, I'll move it over here. This was in a factory, I don't know what they used it for. I'm guessing someone maybe sat here or worked here, and these are just different drawer areas where maybe they can move parts and pieces. We're not certain yet. I think we'll definitely put wooden shelves in these. I think it could be a really cool, like, bar. So if we put wooden shelves and sides up here, these could be all like wine rack storage. And then maybe in the middle, we do some shelves and you could put like liquor bottles up here or glassware or something. But, you know, I think we have 3 of these like this. So just an interesting piece, interesting shape. It's a good size, not too big. So you can put in a house easily. You can put even in an apartment if you wanted to. But it'd be an interesting piece to do something with. And a few more that were similar, that these ones, I mean, I saw these in the warehouse, I was just like, wine rack. This could be easy wine racks. I mean, just super cool. They're already cubbied out. Make wooden bottoms and sides on them. I believe we might flip this one over, but we'll bring it up to the shop and see how it works. But just an interesting piece, and it's kind of hard to see what it looks like right now, how rough it is, but we've done this so many times that this metal patina look, once cleaned up just a little bit and hit with like clear lacquer, looks so good. So, you know, it's not about seeing what it is, but what it can be, and like for us, we know this can be pretty easily, so this is gonna be a fun one to do. Same thing with the one next to it too, like wine racks, cool bar unit, wine storage all throughout. Probably do like a nice wood top, so we'll build the top upstairs. But yeah, I think it's just like a really awesome wine rack bar unit. Once again, not too big. It's a really nice size for a house. 25 by 3.5 feet. And a nice, about 30 inches tall when we get all said and done. Very cool piece. I'm excited to do this one. So I think that's mainly it. I mean, there's some other pieces here and there, but I think it's a good idea, like what we have and what we're gonna start with. So when Bo gets here, you know, me and her will sketch some things up, we'll look at some wood, and then we'll get up in the shop and just kind of start going at it. Try to get this all done in one go. So.